Hi everybody, I'm going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 1120 on the Celebrity Summit. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay everybody, as usual, I'm going to start on the back of the door where it talks about all of your emergency information. Okay, on the back of the door, as always, you have your emergency information. Your muster station is D1 on deck 4. You also have your deep sleep placard that you can put on the door to let your cabin steward know that you are sleeping it off. And then beside the door you have your master light switch, no key card needed, which is nice. And then on the other side here you have your closet space. Plenty of closet space here. As you can see, we've got our clothes, plenty of hangers, and this again is AquaClass, so we have our 2 robes available to us. And again, you have plenty of space on the bottom to put things. And then on the other side here, you've got your short clothes space. Underneath that, you have some beach towels. You have your slippers, and then of course your laundry bag for getting laundry done, and then even more space on the bottom there. So again, all in all, a good bit of space, plenty of space to hang suits and dresses if you're going to be dressing it up, and even a little bit of space on top here you have. And then also up here, you can see these little black things here. This right here is part of the AquaClass. This is your yoga mats, which is nice to have if you're going to be doing the yoga. You've got some wine glasses and champagne glasses. And then you've also got a safe there. And then you've also got another place to store items. Great for your suntan lotion and all that stuff, which is wonderful. On the bottom here, you've got some water. Now this right here is going to be an upcharge for this water right here. Don't even know how much it is, ain't even going to touch it. And then for AquaClass, we're also getting our, this right here is a bag, and then a small wallet, and then we get water. You've got 4 drawers right here. Great for your underwear and stuff like that. And then on the other side right here, we've got a minibar. Now, before they weren't filling this stuff up, but now they are filling this stuff up. And we're not going to touch this because this stuff is expensive. I don't recommend you touch it. Don't be lazy and go get it from somewhere else because this is going to be expensive. But yeah, this is all an upcharge. Even if you've got a drink package, this right here is going to be an upcharge for that. On the other side here, you've got your bathroom. The bathrooms here are real nice. You've got plenty of space over here to store all of your bathroom items. This does come with some lotion right there. You've got some hand sanitizer, tissues. You've got some towels on the bottom there. The shower itself has a bar that goes across for ladies to shave their legs in the shower. You've got a shower wand, and the shower actually does have a good bit of pressure, which is nice. It's like a little ring, and it is like open in the center there. But the shower does have good pressure and it stays warm. On the other side right here, you do have your body wash, your shampoo, and your conditioner. This right here is Bigelow Apothecaries, and it smells real nice. And so this right here is your bathroom. Fairly simple bathroom. You've also got some hooks on the back of the door to hang your wet towels. It is a step up, so be careful when you're coming into the bathroom so that you don't fall. There's your light. On the wall here, it is one of the older style series of the thermostats. This room gets really cold, so as you can see, we are actually in the red zone of all things. I am never in the red zone on any cruise cabin. Usually it is wide open cold, and it gets really cold in this room, so that's why we have it on there in the warm area. To the right side of the bed, you do have a telephone, notepad, and then you've got a light up above it. There is no USB port or power port really beside the bed. There is a power point, a European power outlet there. Not really using it. So you've got one table on the side here. You've got your king size bed. You've also got I believe that's a 36-inch television. Very nice television. And then over on the other side here, you've got another nightstand. You have some beach towels. And then over on the side of the light here, you've got two US power outlets, and then you've also got two USB outlets, which is nice to have. Really wish we had that on the other side of the bed. And then beside that, you've got basically a two-person love seat with a small table beside it. Fairly comfortable. And then of course we have the desk. Comfortable desk, plenty of space to work with. You do have a vanity light around the mirror, so that if you do have someone putting on makeup, they're going to have light there to be able to put on the makeup. And then you've also got two US power outlets, one European power outlet, and two USB outlets there. You have information about Park West and the spa. You also have use of binoculars, which is nice to have. And this is the look at the room. Plenty of space, as you can see. Very well decorated, very classy. Okay, y'all, that right there was the cabin. Now I'm going to show you the balcony. So let's go look at it. Okay, this door here is a little bit tough to open, but once it does open, it glides open very well. As you can see, we have two chairs on the balcony and a small table. This balcony is a shade larger than your other balconies because we are on the starting area where it bumps out a little bit. So you can see probably maybe an extra foot on that side, but that's really all there is extra. The next balcony over is going to probably get a little bit more space than this one. But it is nicely sized. Not much of an overhang there, so you're going to get a little bit of sun at times. But you still get all these amazing views. We have three Carnival ships beside us. We've got the Paradise, Sunrise, and the Valor. So yes, this right here is your balcony area. Plenty of space for two people. Wonderful if you want to come out here and have a cup of coffee in the mornings, read a book. Before I go, I just want to let you know one of the other amenities of the AquaClass is the ability to have certain programming on the television that gives you some health instruction from the Goop line. Gwyneth Paltrow partnered with Celebrity, and they have certain things on the television that you have access to in the AquaClass that you wouldn't have access to in the other classes of cabins on the Celebrity ship. So just want to give you a little peek at what that is. So as you can see, you have programming on the television. You can scroll through different things. Meditation. This right here looks to be like 12 minutes worth of meditation. You've got another meditation here, and just to show you kind of what it looks like, this right here is by Kimberly Snyder. Just to give you an idea, we haven't really used that this much. Haven't really seen a big need for it, but if you're into meditation, yoga, and stuff like that, you know, you might find this worthwhile. It's a nice amenity to have. So there you have it. That right there is one of the amenities that you get with AquaClass. As I said before, when I was touring around, you have some yoga mats that they provide for you, and I think that they also provide a few other amenities if you ask for it for the AquaClass. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. So there you have it, y'all. This is cabin 1120 on the Celebrity Summit. Again, this is an AquaClass cabin. Very nice cabin. We've really enjoyed staying in this cabin. Not a lot of noise, which is wonderful. Yeah, it's been really nice. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.